So, I'm saying if you want to correct the problem of printing no text with Epson L3153. This is the printer. It was printing only white paper without any text, whether photocopy or you are doing printing. So the solution is you have to go to your system. When you are in your system, you come to the research. At the research, you just type printer or you type implement if you are having a French language operating system. So at this time you choose implement and scanner. If it is English, it's printer and scanner. Now in this place you choose that very printer name. The printer name is Epson L3150 series, although it's written 53, but they are in the same series. Now this time you click on it. With French language system you choose Gérer. If it is English you use manager. So you will see manager, you click on it. Now after this you need to focus to preference d'impression, that is in French. In English it's called preference, printing preference. So when you click on this printing preference, the next thing is you go to maintenance. When you go to maintenance, what you should click on is nozzle check. So clicking on nozzle check, you wait. Giving you this pop-up option, you now click on print. So the nozzle check will go through the printer, do a maintenance. At the point you will now print a test. If the problem is corrected, thank God. If it is not corrected, you go ahead to do a head cleaning. That will take about 3 minutes. So when you do head cleaning, the problem will be solved. So if the problem is not solved, I will tell you another thing you have to do after this.